In this video, I'm going to give you a demo of a small project that I developed. Basically, I get a lot of requirements regarding backtesting, and user does not have data. So, how can you acquire testing data for backtesting? So, I've created a Fires data scraper. So, let me show you what happens when I run it. So, once you run it, it will create a database folder over here and record symbol data over there. So basically I have put only one record for right now: nifty monthly expiry, current month expiry, and then the weekly expiries in which I want to get the option datas also, and strike step, and how many strikes I want. So I have put two. So whatever the ATM, two strikes up and two strike down, both call and put, I will get. This is the start time and this is the stop time for data fetching. You can add as many records as you want. So let's go to the database. So basically it started with 9th of October, and you go inside it, you can see that you will get option data also, and below you will get future data also. Let's see here, this is current month expiry, and when you open it, I think I should open it here so that I should not take hold. So see, every second or 2 second, it will run and it will fetch the last traded by price, last traded quantity, volume traded, and timestamp. Later on, you can use this data to create candlesticks and implement any strategy on it, and create your own backtesting algorithms on it. So this data is only for testing purpose. This is not for actual strategy performance, but it will give you an idea how things are working. So that's it. If you have any similar requirements, let me know.